Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into life insurance.
Yeah, and looking past that, standard idea that it's just money for later after you're gone.
Exactly. We found some really interesting stuff showing how it can actually be, well, useful now.
Mm-hmm.
The aim here is just to paint a clearer picture of, like, its immediate value,
It's a common thought, isn't it? I won't be here to spend it.
right?
But, things have changed. Modern life insurance isn't quite the same beast.
Okay, so let's kick off with term life. Usually, you think,
Yeah.
payout if you pass away during the term, then it ends. Simple?
Pretty much the old model, yeah.
But now, some policies have these accelerated benefits. What's that about?
Basically, it's about getting access sooner. If you get diagnosed with something serious, terminal, chronic, critical illness while the policy's active,
Right.
you can often tap into a chunk of that death benefit early.
Ah, okay. So it gives you flexibility, financial flexibility.
Exactly. Flexibility right when you probably need it the most.
So it's not just this abstract thing for the future. Like, what could someone actually use that money for in reality?
Oh, lots of things. I mean, think about hefty medical bills all of a sudden.
Yeah, okay.
Or needing maybe in-home care, someone to help out, or just, making sure the mortgage gets paid if you can't work.
Okay.
It provides that immediate cushion, takes some financial stress off so you can focus on, well, getting better or managing things.
That really does flip the script on term life, doesn't it?
It does.
Makes it less like a parachute you hope you never need and more like a potential resource during your life.
Precisely.
Now, permanent life insurance, that takes this living benefit idea even further, right? With the cash value part?
It absolutely does, that cash value component. Think of it almost like a built-in savings account within the policy.
Okay.
And the really interesting bit, it grows over time, tax deferred.
Tax deferred.
Yeah.
So the growth isn't taxed year after year while it's building up.
Correct. Which is, a pretty nice advantage over the long haul.
So how flexible is that cash value? What sort of things could people use it for while they're, living their lives?
Well, it's pretty versatile. It could serve as an emergency fund if something unexpected pops up, or help pay for college tuition, maybe put a down payment on a house.
Right.
Some people even use it to supplement their retirement income down the road. It's a tool with options.
And getting that money out, is it a hassle?
Generally, no. Policyholders can usually access it through withdrawals or by taking out loans against the policy value.
Okay.
And like we said, doing that often comes with tax advantages too, though you always need to check the specifics of your own policy, of course. You don't want surprises.
Definitely need to read the fine print.
Always.
So it really does challenge that old idea then. Life insurance isn't just about the death benefit.
Not at all. It can be a proper financial asset while you're alive, a living asset.
Yeah, a living asset. I like that.
Understanding these living benefits, the accelerated ones in term, the cash value and permanent, it just gives you a more empowered view.
Right. Helps you make better plans.
Makes it a more active part of your financial strategy, not just a passive thing.
Okay, so let's quickly recap. We've seen how modern life insurance isn't just one thing. It can offer benefits you can actually use.
Term life, through those accelerated benefits, can be a lifeline during serious illness.
And permanent life, with its cash value, offers growth and access for various needs during your life.
The main takeaway, rethink the old assumptions. See it as a potential living asset.
Yeah, knowing that could really change how you plan and feel about your financial security.
It really could. More confidence, more strategy.
So here's a final thought to chew on. Now that you know about these living benefits, how could they possibly slot into your own financial picture? Could they provide a safety net, maybe some adaptability you hadn't considered for, life's curveballs?
Definitely something worth pondering.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.